Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to a new Scratch tutorial video. It is episode 3 and today we're going to be going through almost all of the rest of the tabs. We've got sound, pen, data, sensing operators and maybe more blocks. But let's get started with sound. Now, as you know, a sprite has 3 tabs. Scripts, where you do the programming. Costumes, where you can edit how the sprite looks and stuff, and sounds. And sounds are very important in a program as it gives life to all your, let's say your story or your game. And you can upload your own sounds, you can record sounds, or you can choose a sound from the library of Scratch. But let's say I'm just gonna choose a sound, maybe. Okay, that's too boring. Yeah? Okay, that's a cock-a-doodle-doo rooster sound. And when you can actually use this play until done and play sound. So now what the difference is, let's just see this. Well, okay. Well, right now you don't really see a difference, and that's because it's not going to show a difference. Now let's say I would go to x100 y0 and before that play the sound rooster. It would come here as well as playing it. And let me just make it go to x00. Okay. So it would simultaneously go to or do whatever is underneath it. Now let me replace that with until done. So it will play the sound until it is finished, and then only will it execute what is underneath. Okay, now the next thing is stop all sounds. It does exactly what it says. It will stop every single piece of music that you're playing. Then you've got play drum dash for dash beats. Now this has a lot of different things, and you can actually change the beats. Let's say 1 beat, and you can choose different instruments kind of things or different sounds, and you can go with those. Then you've got restful. Again, if you know what music is, you wait for a certain amount of beats. Then you got play note, whatever. So you got a lot of notes over here, and it will play it for a certain number of beats. Let's say 2 beats. Let's say 100 beats. Well, it will play for 100 beats. And I think it still will. Alright, then we got the set instrument, and there are a lot, and depending on the instrument, it will make different sounds. So you know you got a piano, electric piano, guitar, bass, you got cello, saxophone, choir, whatever stuff. And yeah. Then you got change volume and set volume. Again, it sets the volume, and you can. This is another variable, volume, and change tempo and set tempo. That's another variable. Oh, we still have A as a variable, do we? A, B, C, yeah. Okay. Then we got the pen, and what this does is it helps you in drawing on the screen. So let's say you want to draw a square that goes from here, 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 here. Then I can make this ball go to this coordinate 0, 0. Then make it go to x minus 100, and this over here. So x minus 100 minus 100 y 100, and it will come over here. And then if I use pen down, oh, and also you have to clear. So basically what this does is it will clear everything that is drawn by the pen, and you will see exactly what I mean. You can set the pen color to whatever color you want. I'm going to set it to this gray. Change pen color, set pen color. Yeah, okay. And then if I were to do this, let me just execute this small program over here. X 100, y 100, and then x 100, y minus 100, x minus 100. Yeah. Okay. And then I want to do pen down and then x0, y0. Now, why do you think about what this program will do? Yeah, I'm just giving you a minute. I just showed you. This is very weird. Oh yes, I have to return to this coordinate, right? Yeah. Okay. There you go. This is very weird. Let me just, okay, x100. Okay, it's coming over here. It's coming over here. Let me remove this. Oh, okay. Oh, okay, yeah, this has to be pen up. Sorry. I'm just wasting time here. Like, you have probably no idea what I'm doing. Pen up and coach. And yeah. Okay, let's see, x100, y100. Okay. Oh yeah, this has to be minus. Oh no, it's minus away. 100, 100, x 100 over here, y minus 100, x minus 100, y. There we go. And that there is the culprit. I just deleted the culprit. Are you serious? God, Bhavi, what is wrong with your brain today? And it has to go up again. So it's... I have no idea what's wrong with me and my mouse. Okay, and then y. There you go. Okay, so this will draw a square. You're so kidding me. Okay, and basically what this does is, it will go to this position right over here, which is going to be x0, y0. It will clear any markings drawn by this pen. So you see these pen markings over here? It will clear any of those. And pen down and pen up basically means when the pen is down, it will draw. When the pen is up, it would not draw. So you can see, if the pen was down over here, it would have drawn a line from here to here. But the pen was up. And then you've got set pen color too, so you can set whatever color you want. You've got change the pen color and again set it in numbers. You've got the shade of the pen and all that blah 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 stuff. And you've got the pen size again. I'm going to set the pen size to maybe 10. The line will get thicker. And this is basically what this pen thingy does. It basically draws. I should have cleared it. Yeah. Okay, then we've got data. And data is full of variables. If you actually click this and you make a variable name and you click OK, you will get something that looks like this and a bunch of new blocks. So we're going to be talking about hide and show first. So you can see when you make a variable, this is how it will be, and you will be able to see the way. I'm just probably going to make new variables and show you how it is going to be. Yeah, so you can name a variable. Let's say I'm going to make a variable called A. Now, what the variables are is they are a piece of information, of stored information. Okay, so right now the variable name is A, and A, the value of A is 0. And now you can set the value to, let's say, you can set it to a string, which is a set of letters, a sentence. You can set it to a new number, symbols and stuff, and blah blah blah. Now you can see that A as here is shown. And I can do hide variable A, which means it won't be shown. And then I can do, let's say, show variable A. It will be shown. You can also control by, sorry for the noise, there was a plane passing overhead. But anyways, yeah, so you can hide and show the variables. Then you can change the value and you can set the value. So let's say I want to set the value of this variable to 100. Now you can see that A is now equal to 100. Or I can even change it to something like a sentence. and it will become a word. And I can even change it, like symbols. Okay, now I can change the numbers, of course. Symbols, maybe question mark, shift, yeah, and it will change the value. But now I'm just going to change it to 0. Okay, and that is what the variable does. And then there's this list thing that I think I'll cover at the end of the video. Then you've got operators. Now operators are used for sensing and stuff like that. Now you can see that there's the plus, minus, into, and divide. Now if you have a variable, and in this case I have a, and I want to put this plus in the number, and I could use this to add any two numbers, and it will give me the answer. Okay. Now the good thing with this is that you can also add new variables. So let's say I'll make 2 new variables called a, b, and c. I'll make 3 variables a, b, and c. I'll set b to, let's say, 15, and you can change it from here. And I'll set c to, let's say, 5. Now if I were to do b plus c, you can just drag this b out, put it there, drag the c out over here. It will set a to the sum of b plus c, which is 20, because 15 plus 5 is equal to 20. You can see, change to 20. And you can do this with minus. So again, the answer would be 10. Yeah. And you can do this to multiplication. For multiplication, 75, so 5 into 15. And division, I think the answer will be 3. There we go. Now the good thing about all of these things, all of these operators, are that you can mix 2 of them. So if I were to do divided by and multiplied by, let me do multiplied by and then divided by. So I can do b multiplied by c divided by 2. Now this should give 15 into 5, 75 divided by 2, which is 35, 32 and a half. I just got my math wrong on camera. Anyways, moving on. Then you've got pick a random number, and again, it does what you think it does. You can give an input. It will pick a random number between them. So 15 times 24, 94, 26, 78, blah blah blah. Another plane. Okay, now you've got the compare. Now basically what they'll do is it will compare the 2 numbers, and it will it's basically an if kind of thing, and it will give, all these are there, and then you've got these 3. Now basically what round does is you can put another number here, let's say 17. It will round it off to the highest place value, in this case the tens. Oh yeah, it will round it off to the lowest, I think. So to give something like 17.5, it will round it off to 18. Okay, and that stuff. It will give the nearest whole number or integer. Then you've got the mod, and basically let's say I were to do this 10 mod 3, the answer would be 1, because 10 divided by 3 is 3 with the remainder 1, and it would give you the remainder. So 1 is the answer. I can do 13, no, let me do 14, the answer will be 2. There we go. Then you've got, in this you can find the absolute, floor, ceiling, square root, sin, cos, a, tan, a, sin, a, cos, a, tan, in, log, e to the power of 10 to the power of blah, blah. Yeah, that is the operator section. And I think that is going to be it for today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Next video we're going to cover lists, we're going to cover sensing, we're going to cover more blocks, and we're going to try making a few simple programs. But hopefully you enjoyed. If you did, make sure to subscribe, like the video, share with your friends, family. Go ahead, do something on Scratch for yourself. You leave a comment down below whether or not you have any queries that you want me to look through, and if you do, I shall be sure to answer them. But I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. 3, 2, 1.